सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे आरबीसी कैपिटल यूनाइटेड सैनडिस्क स्टॉक के बारे में और विच सेक्टर परफॉर्म रेटिंग्स। investing.com RBC Capital analyst Srini Pajjuri United coverage of SanDisk, NASDAQ, SNDK which sector performs rating and $400 price target on Thursday. The target side just below SanDisk's current price of $387.81 and near its 52-week high of $401.20, suggesting limited upside according to InvestingPro data. The stock has delivered an extraordinary 977% return over the past year. The analysts note that SanDisk had significantly outperformed in 2025 due to improving NAND fundamental, with expectation that NAND demand will continue to outpace supply through 2026. The momentum is reflected in SanDisk's impressive 807.79 price return over the past 6 months. RBC Capital attribute the favorable supply demand dynamic to improve discipline in both the NAND and HDD industry, alongside secular storage growth driven by generative AI application. Despite the positive outlook, InvestingPro analysis indicates SanDisk appear overvalued at current level. The comprehensive Pro research report available for SanDisk and 1,400 plus US equity offer deeper insight into the company valuation metrics. The firm acknowledges SanDisk's progress in margin equation and it is the growing presence in the enterprise as the market, which represented an important segment for the company's future growth. SanDisk's gross profit margins stand at 27.93% for the last 12 months, with revenue growth of 10.94% during the same period. Despite this positive factor, RBC believes the current valuation already discount peak earning of approximately $40 compared to consensus estimates of $22 for the calendar year 2027, potentially limited further stock outperformance, while also expressing concern about the impact of high memory price on PC and the smartphone demand, which constitute about 60% of SanDisk sales, with a per share ratio of 22.66 and EBITDA of 107.26. SanDisk's valuation metrics suggested caution. Investors should note that SanDisk will report earnings in 22 days on February 6, 2026. In other recent news, SanDisk has been highlighted by several analyst firms from its promising outlook. Mizu predicts a strong 2026 for SanDisk, driven by favorable market conditions and significant expected increase in NAND pricing. BOFA Securities has raised its price target for SanDisk from 300 to 319, citing the company potential in the artificial intelligence following announcement at the Consumer Electronics Show. Additionally, Benchmark has reiterated its buy rating and maintained a $260 price target, pointing to positive trend in the NAND flash memory market. In corporate governance, SanDisk has appointed Alexander Bradley, the Chief Financial Officer of First Solar, to it is the Board of Directors and Audit Committee, disappointed effective December 30, 2025. Adds significant financial expertise to the board. Bradley has a long history with First Solar, having joined the company in 2008. and held various senior financial positions. This recent development reflected the company's strategies, positioning, and outgoing adjustment in leadership. The article was generated with the support of AI and reviewed by an editor. For more information, see your